Hello and welcome to the next update of Flying Upload. If you upload to Merch by Amazon or Amazon Print on Demand now, you will like this because it's now more individual with custom scaling and also skipping parts of the upload. If you're uploading to Amazon since a few months or even longer, you will know that the Create Mask had a big update this year where you not just upload now your static design, you can also scale from 0 to 100%. And of course, this big change had also a big influence on the upload process on Flying Upload. And now we brought another update where we make custom scaling and skipping parts of the upload possible. You go to options, settings and templates, and you have now here Amazon merch with skip inputs and also custom scaling for accessories. Before we come to this, I show you how the upload is done now with the default settings if you're not in the picture. So I created here two listings in the online edit. Then I upload or download an upload badge, and I already did this before. Then I have here my badge, I unzip it, and then I have here my designs and the XML files with the data. I load one into Flying Upload here, and then we go to the upload and start Amazon merch. If you did this before, you will know Flying Upload will now upload your design. It will scale it for hoodies and also accessories, what we see in a moment, and then it will set your listing and publish or draft it. By the way, this is standard t-shirt format, so 4500 to 5400 pixels, and you will see this is the PopSocket, and what Flying Upload does till now is it uploads a scaled version, then sets the background color, and yeah, that's it, and then jumps to the next product. So it has here the standard scaling from Amazon, and it does not touch it, and it does the same then for the phone cases. And what I want to show you now is you can here also pause the upload if you want. We are here at the step with the phone cases, but what you should do now is one time, if you want, you can go here to back to the PopSockets because we paused the upload, and then set here the scaling that looks okay for you. I already tested it, so around 70 till 75%. I make now, let's make 72 is good for PopSockets. Then you can also see here the preview, and yes, I think that's good. I mean, we could make it a little bit bigger. It depends a bit on the image, but we can make this here. Let's do it to 75. And then let's look at the preview again, but yeah, this is okay. And then you have here your 75%, and if you want to use them, you can now go to the settings and say, okay, for my future uploads, I want to use for my PopSockets a scaling of 75%, and then you do the same one time with the phone cases. So we were here, we let the upload, we save here, and then we continue the upload, and we do exactly the same here. We wait one time till the image is generated from Flying Upload, and then you can see how you want to scale and how you should scale. So background color is set, and then we pause the upload again. So you see this is more a settings upload. So one time that you do it. If I'm not wrong, I did it always to 65% for phone cases, and then of course you have to check again if this looks okay for you. In this case, yeah, it looks okay. You can also make the preview here for the other products, but yeah, this looks fine. And what I also can tell you, if it fits on iPhone cases, it will also fit on the Samsung cases. So I go back to the settings and I can tell you if I want to have my iPhone cases on 65%, I also want to have my Samsung cases on 65%. And if I have set up, of course you can do this for tote bags and throw pillows too, but in this case we have now the PopSockets and the phone cases. And if we now stop the upload and start again with our settings, just a quick reminder, you can click start again. And what will now happen, you probably already can guess. So it will upload, of course, the shirt design again, like we had a moment ago. We'll also set the exact same inputs because we did nothing here, nothing changed. Now we go to the accessories, and if you can remember, we set the scaling here to 75%. So in this case, what Flying Upload does now is it uploads the scaled version like before, and then scales now from the default, I think it was 60%, yeah, to the set 75% in the settings, and then of course place it in the middle and set the background like before. So the PopSocket is now the size that you want, and this is our custom scaling for accessories you have now. So you can for example also work now with pattern designs. Simply set it to 100% and then the pattern is set. So individual upload is now possible. And just to show you, it will now set here the 65% also for the phone cases, set the background, and if I now pause the upload again, you will see that you have now here the sizes on, of course, the background colors that you want. And this is how the custom scaling works. Of course, what I also should show you is you can upload specific designs for accessories. So for PopSockets, cases, tote bags, and so on. That's possible. All you have to know is you have here a get product template site from Amazon Merch on Demand, and then you can see here the recommended sizes for every product. And if you want to now upload a PopSocket that's all over, then you should have exactly this resolution. And if your design has this resolution, Flying Upload will know, will hit fill here in the options for the upload, and then it will be all over and will be perfectly sized for the PopSockets. So individual upload for all the accessory products like PopSockets, phone cases, tote bags, and throw pillows is now also possible. The second part of the Amazon update includes the possibilities to skip inputs during the upload. The product options like fit types, colors and prices, or also the listing text if you have scale variations, for example. This is for the higher tiers who upload maybe 50, 100 or maybe 200 designs a day. You know that on Amazon Merch you have the possibility to define here your prices, colors and so on, and then save them as publish settings. And you can use them because, as I showed you, you can enable here, for example, to skip the product options or also the listing text. And then if we start now the upload process, it will enable all the products like you have configured it in your listing of the design, and then upload the design, of course. And now, because we skip the product options, it won't touch the prices, the colors or anything, and it will right jump to the next product, in this case the PopSocket, and will do it like before. So it will upload the scale variation, and then your custom scaling, and then also set your background without touching the prices, for example. And I think you get it already how it works. So you can save your time by skipping, for example, the product options. And if you upload 100 designs on many marketplaces, on many products, this will probably save you hours every day for the upload process. I hope that you liked this video, and I hope even more that you saw what the new custom scaling for your merch upload with Flying Upload can do. So individual upload for PopSockets, phone cases, tote bags and so on is now possible. You can also decide which or what custom scaling you want to use for your accessories, and it is also possible to skip now inputs for the listing, for the product infos, so you can save a lot of time during the upload, also when you're in a high tier. Leave a like if this update was good for you, then write down in the comments if you have any questions, and a lot is coming in the future, so see you in the next video.